Super excited to be at the Growth Summit for 2021. You know, as a Charlestonian and someone that is super passionate about helping people grow businesses, the Growth Summit is just a great spot for people to come and get educated, but most importantly, connect with other people across the state that are working on their own entrepreneurial ideas. And it's just a super blast to see all of this energy and what all the people across the state are working on.
Out here today because I need to learn. Starting up a company, being an educator, there's many things that I don't know, so I'm out here to just really learn how to market my company, how to just really dig in and connect with other people, to network, to hear what everyone else is doing, to just really get ready to launch. That's where I am now. I'm ready to launch, but I want to make sure that my foundation is strong and ready to put myself out there.